My GPS said, take the second left. It said there was a shortcut. And there was a shortcut through a construction site. I wish I hadn't trusted my GPS. I should have asked locals for directions. Today we're going to talk about regrets. Regrets are things that we feel bad about. Things that we did that we shouldn't have, or didn't do that we should have. Let's say you want to move to France. You love the country, you love the culture. The only problem is that you don't speak French. So you can say, I wish I had learned French when I was in school. Or I wish I'd learned French when I was in school. Here, I'd means I had. I should have learned French when I was in school. Or I should have learned French when I was in school. I regret not learning French when I was in school. I regret I didn't learn French when I was in school. Now, these sentences are different, of course, but they mean the same thing. The structures are different, but the meaning is the same. Now, everything's in the past, right? So we're talking about the past. I didn't learn French, but I wish I had learned French. I wish I had signed up for a language course. I wish my parents had made me learn French. So everything is in the past. But if it's a present situation, like an imaginary present situation, then we should use I wish plus past simple. I wish I spoke French. Now, I don't speak French, but I wish I spoke French. I wish I knew the basics. Past situations, I wish plus past perfect. Present situations, I wish plus past simple. Any regrets? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.